Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to comment and react in Google Sheets. So to add or comment in Google Sheets, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then what you want to do is in your data, you want to select the data you want to comment on, right click, and then come down to comment. Here you can say your comment, I'll just say this is a comment, and then hit comment. Now we have a comment there. But let's say we want to see all the history of comments, maybe comments in this data everywhere. Well, what we can do is hover over this comment and we can hit open all comments. Then oh look, we have another comment. Or what we can do is we can come up to this little menu bar and hit the open comment history. There's also a shortcut key right there that says Control-Alt-Shift-A, which also opens this. Click on it, there you go, right there. But let's say you want to have a shortcut key to make comments. You don't want to have to select, right click, and then hit comment. Well, all you have to do is select the data you want and then hit Control-Alt-M, and then there you go. Now, there's another option in Google Sheets, which is being able to add a note in a cell in Google Sheets. A lot of people will like to add notes in their spreadsheets. So to do that, you select the cells you want, and as you probably already guessed, you right click, and then hit insert note and say, hey. But let's say that you want to have a shortcut for that. Well, what you do is you select the cells you want, and then you can hit Shift F2. And then there is the shortcut key for the notes. And that's the end of the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.